Hello again, kindergarten. It's Miss White back with some more math stories with you guys. Today we're going to represent by subtracting numbers to 8 using 5 group drawings, crossing off an equation. So like always, you're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil, so pause the video to take a minute to go grab those materials and come back. Okay, so today we'll be taking away numbers to 8 using our 5 group pictures with crossing off, while also using our number sentence to go along with it. Let's get started on my first story, and as always, follow along with me as I go. Here's my first story. I picked how many strawberries? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We see that I drew my strawberries in my 5 group way. So I have 5, then I start over on my next row with 3. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top, and 1, 2, 3, making 8 all together. So I picked 8 strawberries from my garden and gave away 3 to my friend. So what do we have to do to represent that we're taking away? Yes, you're right. We have to cross them out to represent that we're taking them away. So we're going to cross out 3 on my bottom row. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. And now how many do we have left? Once again, we can circle the amount we have left to show that we have 2 different parts. How many do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 left. So now let's write my number sentence to match our picture. How many strawberries did I have in my garden to begin with? 8. So 8 is going to go into our first box. And we know we represent taking away by using a minus sign. And then how many did I take away or give to my friend? We can see that we took away 3. I crossed off 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. And then we know that we need an equal sign to show how many we have left. And then we can look up to our first part to show how many we have left. How many do we have left? 5. Good job. 5 strawberries left. So repeat after me. 8 take away 3, or 8 minus 3 equals 5. Nice job. Let's go on to our next story. I bought 7 fish from the pet store. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once again, we see this in our 2 group way. We had 5 on the top and 2 on the bottom. So once we get to 5, we have to start a new row to show that we make our picture in the 5 group drawing. How many are in my top row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And how many are in my second row? 1, 2. So I bought 7 fish from the pet store, and I gave away 6 fish to my mom to put in her fish tank. So what do we have to do to represent that we're taking away? You're right, cross off. So we're going to start from our top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I gave away 6 to my mom, and then how many did I have left? Just 1 fish I had left for myself, so we can circle that to show our pictures in 2 different parts. I gave away 6 to my mom, and then I had 1 left. So now let's write our number sentence to match our picture. How many fish did I start off with again? 7. And we know we put our little subtraction sign to show we're taking away. And I gave away how many to my mom? 6. You can always go back and recount the picture if you forgot. The ones that crossed out are the ones that we're taking away. And then how many did I have left for me? 1. So we know we put my equal sign to show how many we have left. We had 1 fish left. So repeat after me. 7. Take away 6, or 7 minus 6 equals 1. Nice job. Let's go on to our last and our final math story. So I had how many crayons? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We see this in our 5-group way. And I gave 1 away to my sister. So what do we have to do to show that we're taking away? Cross out 1. You can either cross out 1 from the bottom or the top, doesn't really matter. I'm going to cross out 1 from the top. I gave 1 away to my sister, so we're crossing out 1. Now how many did we have left? Well, we want to show it by putting a circle around the ones that we have left. So we see it into 2 parts. How many did I have left? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 5 left. I had 6. I gave 1 to my sister, and we see that I had 5 left. Now let's write our number sentence to match. How many did I start off with? 6. We can always go back in our picture and recount if we forgot. What's our sign to show that we're taking away or subtracting? A minus sign. And how many did I give away to my sister? We can look at our picture to tell. 1. Now how many did I have left? 5. And we put our what sign to show that we're showing how many we have left? Our equal sign. And you said we had 5 left. Let's go back on our picture to count. The double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We had 5 left. So repeat after me. 6 take away 1 equals 5. Or 6 minus 1 equals 5. I want you to come up with your own number stories and number sentences and show them to me. You can send me a picture through text or Class Dojo, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. And tune in next week for more math review.